Today is going to be a video about the words some and any, and when we use them and when we don't use them. I have some water here, it's hot water. I'm gonna pour it in my cup, and I have some tea here waiting for me, and I'm just pouring it in. And now we will wait a little until the tea has gone to its perfect state, which is brewed tea and ready to drink. And while it's doing what it's doing in my cup of tea, we are gonna read about the words some and any. So what are the words some and any? In Russian, some means немного, any это любой. They are used differently, even though in English they kind of mean the same thing. We use some and any words the following way. So we can see it here. A, B, and C are the rules that we use to use these two words. For a question, we use any. So if it's a question, you don't usually say some in just like specific examples. But if it's a question and, for example, you're asking if something is present or someone is present, you can say any. For a positive answer, we use some. For a negative answer, we use any. Do you have any money? This is a question where we ask if there is any money at all in general. This is a question, so here we use any. Do you have any money? And we can answer yes, I have some money. When we answer, we can't say yes, I have any money. We have to say yes, I have some money. The negative answer is no, I don't have any money. Do you play any sports? Any type of sports. We don't care about what type of sports. We don't ask about football. We don't ask about basketball. We're asking about any type of sports. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play some sports. Some, because it's not a negation and it's not a question. So we say yes, I play some sports. No, I don't play any sports, because it's a negation. It's not a statement. We're saying no. That means it's a negation. So we say no, I don't play any sports. It doesn't matter if it's football, cricket, horse riding, basketball, any type of sport, swimming. We don't do them, so we say no, don't play any sports. Are there any students in the classroom? We're asking if there are some people present at some place. Here we're asking about students in the classroom. It says here any students in the classroom. Yes, there are some students, because it's not a negation. We're making a statement. Yes, there are. They exist. No, there aren't any students in the classroom, because it's a negation. We're saying no, it's not true. Here we have a really nice phrase that we can use in English language to ask someone if they want something, which is would you like? And this is a situation where it changes a little bit. Still, when we have a negation, we still have any, but in the question, we have some. Would you like some coffee? We're asking if a person wants to have some coffee, so we say some. Yes, I would like some coffee, stays the same, it's a statement, it's not a negation, we're saying yes. When we're saying no, when it's a negation, we say no, I wouldn't like any coffee, it stays the same way. Would you like some chicken? Yes, I would like some chicken. No, I wouldn't like any chicken, we say no. Would you like to go somewhere nice? Yes, I would like to go somewhere nice. No, I wouldn't like to go anywhere. Notice here that we have like this compound words, with the first part is some or any, and the second one is a question word, somewhere. We have words like this with somewhere, someone, something. The same goes with anywhere, anyone, anything, and this goes to these words as well. So when we use these words and we put them into questions, statements, and negations, we use them the same way. So the first part depends on the type of sentence that we say. If it's a question with would you like, we use the some types of compound words like this, like somewhere or someone or something. Yes, I would like to go somewhere nice. And if it's a negation, we say no, I wouldn't like to go anywhere, because the first part of the compound word is any and it's a negation. And so these are the general rules of how to use the words some and any and the compound words like somewhere or anywhere with them. Thank you for joining by. I'm gonna drink my tea now, it's ready. And stay up and always be curious.